Ay grabe to guys, oh. Majority daw po ng Liberal Party or LP members now part of House's super majority block. So ibig sabihin guys, yung mga Liberal Party po na mga members of House of Representatives, alright? So backing House Speaker Martin Romualdez, or sumusuporta po sila or nakikiisa po sila sa liderato po ni House Speaker Martin Romualdez ayon po sa ating Deputy Speaker JJ Suarez po ng Quezon Province. So basahin natin yung article guys. So here, 4 of the 6 members daw po of the Liberal Party or LP are now part of the supermajority coalition in the House of Representatives backing the leadership of Speaker Martin Romualdez, according to Deputy Speaker and Quezon 2nd District Representative David or JJ Suarez. So ayan guys. Aside from the LP daw po, the supermajority bloc consists of Lakas Christian Muslim Democrats daw po guys, Nationalista Party din po, National Unity Party din, Nationalist, okay, People's Coalition. So ito din po, Partido Federal ng Pilipinas, the Party List Coalition Foundation Incorporated, and now the LP. So mukhang lahat ng partido nabasa na natin. Tapos dito guys, the latest additional brings the total number of formal signatories to 278. As of today, 285 House members have expressed support for Speaker Romualdez. Okay? With 278 lawmakers having already signed, grabe ito, formal declarations, including 4 out of 6 members of the LP who are now part of the larger, okay, movement and legislative community and national stability, Suarez said in the statement on Sunday. So nakita naman natin sa 90th Congress po, alright, ni Speaker Martin Romualdez na sinusuportahan po talaga siya at lahat po ng mga amenda po dyan, ng mga batas na para sa mga Pilipino, supported po talaga yung 90th Congress. So here now, sa 20th Congress, so wala na, tapos na ang laban. Si Speaker Martin Romualdez pa rin yung magiging speaker kasi lahat sumusuporta sa kanya guys eh. Lahat, okay? So lahat ng mga partido kanina na binasa ko po, according dito sa article, at sabi din po ni Congressman JJ Suarez, okay, yung speakership, still, kay Speaker Martin Romualdez pa rin. Alright? So, ano kaya masasabi ng mga kontra? Comment down below. Kung ano masasabi nyo po dito sa article na to guys.